If you're new to options trading, the fastest way to losing money is by trying to be clever. Here's a fact: beginners overcomplicate everything. You got all these different kinds of trades that you're trying to do, and you have a whole bunch of different tickers. Watching all kinds of different people on YouTube. Here's the thing: you just need two easy strategies. Sell a put, sell a covered call. It doesn't have to be hard. You don't need a whole bunch of indicators. You don't need a bunch of signals that you're following. You just need to pick one good quality stock. How much do you want to pay per share if the price drops? Calculate the premium. Is it a good rate of return? Does it fit in your size account? If you sell a put on this particular ticker and the stock drops, do you have more cash to sell another put? And will you want to sell another put? These are all super easy, basic questions that you need to ask yourself before you put the trade in. If you want more help, drop a comment below. I'm planning an upcoming live event and I want to know what would be helpful for new traders. I don't want to presume to know what you need. Tell me what you need. And be sure you're subscribed. Putting up a video every single day. Cheers for now.